Now students, this is the very important question students. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma 0 that equal to sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma 0, sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma 0. Then so that prove that the first question, cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, cos 2 gamma 0 and sin of 2 alpha, sin of 2 beta, sin of 2 gamma 0. This is the first question. Now students, here the solution is, first we take, let x equal to cis alpha and y equal to cis beta, z equal to cis gamma. So students, the x plus y plus z, this is the students cis of alpha plus cis of beta, cis of gamma. X plus y plus z, cis alpha plus cis beta plus cis gamma. That is the students cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, I into sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. So 0 plus I into 0, 0 plus 0, 0. So this is the students x plus y plus z. So x is the cis alpha, y is cis beta, z is the cis gamma. So students, cis is the cos alpha plus I sin alpha, cis beta is cos beta plus I sin beta, cis gamma is cos gamma plus I sin gamma. So cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. After that I into sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. So 0 plus I into 0, 0. So students, now this is squaring on to both sides. So student, this is x plus y plus z whole square equal to 0 square. What is the students? X plus y plus z whole square equal to 0 square. So the one more thing is students, here when we are squaring on both sides, x square plus y square plus z square 2 into AB, xy, yz, zx, 0 square equal to 0. Dear students, how can you write here the 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z? This is the students, 1 by x is 1 by cis alpha, 1 by cis beta, 1 by cis gamma, 1 by cis alpha, 1 by cis beta, 1 by cis gamma. So student, this is cis of minus alpha, cis of minus beta, cis of minus gamma. So students, how can we write this is cos alpha, cos beta, cos of gamma. So dear students, cis of minus alpha means, what is the students cis of minus alpha? So we can written as the students cos alpha minus I sin alpha. This is cos beta minus I sin beta. This is the students cos gamma minus I sin gamma. So dear students, cos alpha plus cos beta cos gamma minus I is the common sin alpha sin beta sin gamma. So student, this is 0 minus 0 is the 0. So the 1 by x plus 1 by y, this value is given that 0. This is also given that 0. So 0 minus I into 0, 0. Then it will become 0. 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z value is the 0. So students, we are also got x plus y plus z 0 squaring on both sides, a square b square c square. This can be written as x square plus y square plus z square. This is the students, we can written as 2 into x y z is the common. 1 by z, z cancel, this is x y. 1 by z, 1 by x, 1 by y. So this is the students x square plus y square z square. The value of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is the 0. So this part is the 0 equal to 0. Now students, x square plus y square plus z square is, how can you write this is the students, x square plus y square z square is the 0. X square is the 6 square alpha. This is 6 square beta. This is 6 square gamma. So x square is, x is the 6 square alpha, 6 square beta, 6 square gamma. So student, this is 6 2 alpha, 6 of 2 beta, 6 of 2 gamma, 6 2 alpha, 6 2 beta, 6 2 gamma. Okay students, now we remove the 6. 6 means cos 2 alpha plus I sin of 2 alpha. So dear student, is there cos 2 alpha plus, therefore cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha. 6 2 beta is the students cos 2 beta plus I sin 2 beta. 6 2 gamma is the students cos of 2 gamma plus I sin 2 gamma equal to 0. Now student, this is cos 2 alpha. The real part is cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, cos 2 gamma plus I into, this is sin of 2 alpha plus sin of 2 beta plus sin of 2 gamma equal to 0. Now students, equating the real and imaginary parts on both sides. Real part will be the 0 and imaginary part also. This can be also written as I into 0. So students, this is, we can written as cos 2 alpha, cos of 2 beta, cos of 2 gamma equal to 0, and the sin of 2 alpha, sin of 2 beta, and sin of 2 gamma equal to 0. The real part will be the 0 and imaginary part is also 0. Are you understand students? First we take x is alpha, 6 beta, 6 gamma. X is 6 alpha, y is 6 beta, z is 6 gamma. After that we find x plus y plus z value is the 0. When we get squaring on both sides, 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, value also 0. So student, this is x square, y square, z square. That is x is 6 square alpha, 6 square beta, 6 square gamma. This is 6 2 alpha, 2 into beta, 2 beta, 2 into gamma, 2 gamma. By the De Moivre's theorem, and you can remove the 6 cos alpha plus I sin alpha whole square. That is cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha. That is nothing but 6 2 alpha. Now remove the 6 cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha, cos 2 beta plus I sin 2 beta, cos 2 gamma plus I sin 2 gamma. We can put the real part in the one bracket and put in the bracket in the imaginary part. Real part is 0 and imaginary part is 0. Equating the real and imaginary parts on both sides. Equating the real and imaginary parts. What is the students? Equating the real and imaginary parts on both sides. Now students, the second question. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma 0, sin alpha plus sin beta sin gamma 0. Then show that sin 3 alpha, sin 3 beta, sin 3 gamma equal to 3 sin alpha plus beta plus gamma. After that, cos 3 alpha, cos of 3 beta, cos of 3 gamma equal to 3 into cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma. So students, just now we can take an as x equal to 6 alpha, y equal to 6 beta, z equal to 6 gamma, x equal to 6 alpha, y equal to 6 beta. Therefore, x plus y plus z. This is the students 6 alpha plus 6 beta plus 6 gamma. That is cos alpha plus I sin alpha. 6 beta is the students cos of beta plus I sin beta. 6 gamma is the students cos gamma plus I sin gamma. So students, cos alpha, after that cos beta, cos of gamma plus I is the common. What is there? Sin of alpha, sin of beta, sin of gamma. So students, this value 0, this is also 0, complete this one 0. After that students, 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, 1 by 6 alpha, 1 by 6 beta, 1 by 6 gamma. This is 6 of minus alpha, 6 of minus beta, 6 of minus gamma. So students, this is, how can you write the students? This is also cos alpha minus. So dear students, this is not necessary here. So cos, they are asking cos 3 alpha, cos 3 beta, cos 3 gamma. When we got x plus y plus z is 0, when you got x plus y plus z is 0, so when that is x plus y equal to minus z. After cubing on both sides, x plus y whole cube equal to minus z cube. A cube, what is the students? A cube, b cube, 3ab into a plus b equal to minus z cube. A cube, b cube plus 3ab into a plus b minus z cube. This is the students x cube, y cube, x plus y is the minus z minus 3xyz minus z cube. Now this is the students x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. That is the students x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Now students, x cube, y cube, z cube equal to 3xyz. So x cube is 6 cube alpha, y cube is 6 cube beta, 6 cube gamma, 3 into xyz. xyz is the students 6 alpha, 6 beta, 6 gamma. So students, how can you write this is 6 of 3 alpha, 6 of 3 beta, 3 into gamma, 3 gamma, 3 into 6a into 6b into 6c. This is 6 of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now students, we can remove the 6. What is the student? This is cos 3 alpha plus I sin 3 alpha. Cis 3 beta is the students cos 3 beta plus I sin 3 beta. Cos 3 gamma plus I sin 3 gamma. So students 3 into this is cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus I sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma. So dear students, how can you write the students? Equating the real and imaginary part on both sides. What is the real part is there? Cos of 3 alpha, cos of 3 beta, cos of 3 gamma plus I into sin of 3 alpha, sin of 3 beta, sin of 3 gamma equal to 3 into cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma I sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma. So students, equating the real and imaginary parts on both sides. Equating the real and imaginary parts. Equating the real and imaginary parts on both sides. This is cos 3 alpha, cos 3 beta, cos of 3 gamma equal to, what is the students? 3 into cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma. After that students, sin of 3 alpha, sin of 3 beta, sin of 3 gamma equal to 3 into sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Write down students, cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma equal to 3 into cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma equal to 3 into sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Write down students. And another part is there students, cos of alpha plus beta, cos of beta plus gamma, cos of gamma plus alpha equal to 0. What is the students? Cos of alpha plus beta, cos of beta plus gamma, cos of gamma plus alpha equal to 0. This is the students third one. So how to complete this third one? My dear students, this is, we know that x plus y plus z 0, and also students 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. That is the students 1 by cis alpha, 1 by cis beta, 1 by cis gamma. 1 by cis alpha means cis of minus alpha, cis of minus beta, cis of minus gamma. Now students, when we can remove the cis, this is cos alpha minus I sin alpha, cos beta minus I sin beta, cos of gamma minus I sin gamma. So students, cos of alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, minus I is the common student, sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma, sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma, those values are the 0. 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is the students 0. That is 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z 0. Now students, LCM is the x, y, z. So students, when we taking the LCM in x, y, z, that is y, z, zx, xy equal to 0. So students, xy, yz, zx, xy, yz zx equal to 0. This is cis alpha, cis beta. This is cis beta, cis gamma. This is cis gamma, cis alpha equal to 0. Cis alpha, cis beta. Yz is the cis beta, cis gamma. Zx is the cis gamma, cis alpha. Now students, what is there? Cis A into cis B. Cis of A plus B. This is cis of beta plus gamma. Cis of gamma plus alpha. Cis A into cis B. Cis of A plus B. Cis of beta plus gamma. Cis of gamma plus alpha equal to 0. Now students, we can remove the cis. What is there? Cos of alpha plus beta is the real. Here cos of beta plus gamma is the real. Here the real part is cos of gamma plus alpha. After that students, I into the imaginary part is sin of alpha plus beta. After that sin of beta plus gamma. Sin of gamma plus alpha. That is 0 plus I into 0. Now students, equating the real parts on both sides. Equating the real part. Equating the real part on both sides. What is the students? Equating the real part on both sides. When we are taking equating the real part will be the students cos of alpha plus beta. Cos of beta plus gamma, cos of gamma plus alpha. When we are equating the real part, that is cos of alpha plus beta, cos of beta plus gamma, cos of gamma plus alpha will be the 0. What is the students? Cos alpha plus beta, cos beta plus gamma, cos of gamma plus alpha will be the 0. Okay students? Then students, the one more thing is there, so that cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma equal to 3 by 2. That equal to sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma. So in the first question, we got first question students, cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, cos 2 gamma is the 0. What is the students? Cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma is 0. So students, cos 2 alpha, how can you write this is 2 into cos square alpha minus 1. This is 2 into cos square beta minus 1. This is 2 into cos square gamma minus 1 will be the 0. So students, 2 is the common. What is the students? 2 is the common. So cos 2 alpha, we know that in the first question, cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma 0. After that, this is 2 cos square alpha minus 1, 2 cos square beta minus 1, 2 cos square gamma minus 1. So students, 2 is the common. Cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 sending other side plus 3. So students, cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma equal to 3 by 2. So how to find this one students? The cos square alpha can be written as, how to write the cos square alpha is 1 minus of sin square alpha. Then this is 1 minus sin square alpha, 1 minus sin square beta, 1 minus sin square gamma equal to 3 by 2. So students, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is the 3. 3 minus of 3 by 2. 3 minus of 3 by 2. These are sending other side. Sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is the 3 minus 3 by 2. That is sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma. So student, 2 3s are is the 6. 6 minus 3 is the 3. 3 by 2 into sin square of alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma. demoids is the very easiest topic, students. Okay, your demoids is the very easiest topic. Don't think about students. It is a very one of the easiest topic. Okay, thank you all.